Hi everybody, my name is Brent McLean. Welcome to Q2 2025 Outlook. We do this once a quarter. You know what? What's the biggest problem we face today? It's uncertainty. One thing that's certain is uncertainty, created by Trump's tariffs. And you can see from this chart, we are at the most uncertain time we've had in the last 40 years. And this is especially now showing through in retail sales. Are starting to fall off the table. In fact, went negative last month. Just think what they could do after a day like today in the stock market, where it was down 5% after Trump's tariffs last night. Also, 60% of all CFOs 2 weeks ago said they anticipated downturn in the first half of 2025. I'll bet if that survey was done today, it would be a whole lot higher than 60%. It begs the question, is a recession underway? We believe the probability of a recession is very high. Bank credit analysts anticipated 2 weeks ago that we'd had 70% chance of a recession. The Atlanta Fed 2 weeks ago came out and said that their forecast for 2025 was for negative 1.7% GDP growth. To beat that, they also said that fiscal deficits will grow to 10% of GDP because the economy is going to slow that much. How are earnings holding up under all this? So far, they've been good. I'll give you a great example. 2 weeks ago, Lululemon reported earnings. For the quarter that just ended, they did fantastically well. They beat. The problem was they guided poorly because of all of this uncertainty. The stock went down 15%. Because of all this uncertainty, all businesses and consumers are sitting on their hands. If this uncertainty persists, we predict that earnings will be at best flat, 0 year-over-year growth for 2025. So what are we doing now? Well, going into the quarter, we had 9.5% cash. We anticipate probably raising a little bit more on a stock or two where the numbers don't work out on our remodeling. We are adjusting top line down. We are adjusting EBIT margins down. And what does that mean for earnings? They have to be adjusted down also. So then, once we've done that, can we still live with the stock at these prices? Or does that have a lot more downside? If it does, we may be selling one or two of those.